Hi, it's Laura from Day by Day in a World and Life Beyond Kids, and today I am going to unbox this really heavy box that came in the mail from ShiftCon. I was one of the winners for that, so I'll have some information down below about it. But I have my youngest son who is going to help me unbox and see what kind of goodies we received.
So, what do we got?
Okay. So this one we'll start with. The bottle looks a little different than ones I bought. This is actually perfect timing. I love Dr. Bronner's, and this is probably the one I buy all the time anyways. I use it to make my own soaps at home. So this is great. We moved here without any, and woohoo! All right, what's next?
Whatever.
Oh,
What's
Numi
this?
tea. Let's see what flavor that is. This
Green?
is a collection of different teas, and it looks like they've got a green tea, a black tea, or a couple of green teas, a couple of black teas, a puree tea, or pura, I guess you pronounce it, white tea, and some herbals.
Wait.
So it's probably like one or two of each packets in here. But Numi tea was there at ShiftCon. Very yummy, the ones that I had.
Gunpowder green.
Yeah, I don't know. And somebody sent, Cooley. So this is a company I had not heard of before. And they sent us ball inside of a little shaker cup. So I'm guessing there's some of their product in here for us to mix up. Okay, it looks like a few of these might have gotten a little dented.
This is dented.
Yeah.
Avocado oil.
And walnut oil. So this company, La Torange Gelée Artesian Oils, they were not at ShiftCon, and I know some of the stuff in here is just other partners that are with them. And then avocado oil, which I probably use a little bit more anyway, since it's got a little bit of a ding. I'm going to get that used quickly. Let's see. Oh,
What's this?
be careful.
Organic classic.
Okay, same company.
Right.
And we've got an organic citrus chipotle vinaigrette. So a couple different salad dressings, or use them for
Ooh, I see something that I want.
I don't think I'm sharing this.
It's a bit dented from the when it came
Dark
in the mail.
chocolate salted caramel truffles. And if you've never had Alter Eagle, they were not at ShiftCon, but I somehow managed to get a sample from them somewhere else, and it was
Dark chocolate.
really good chocolate.
I'm not a big fan of salted stuff though.
Okay, so here it looks like this is another one. Oh, just a minute. Another one that was not at. So a lot of these were not at ShiftCon, which is great because then I get to know about some other brands as well. So this is Salsa Inchi Super Seed, plant-based. Okay, I'm gonna have to. I've never heard of this.
It looks like little mini cookies that have
No, it's little.
chocolate
It's
chips.
It's little nuts.
Yuck.
It says this little seeds packed with protein and omega fatty acids, plus a range of essential minerals and nutrients, growing abundantly on perennial vines. It's sustained indigenous populations for many centuries due to its dense nutritional profile, and it is from Southeast Asia, grown in the rainforest regions of Cambodia, Laos, Thailand, and Peru. Okay.
Peru.
Well, I'll be kind of interested to see, because this is something else I've never heard of. I love this jar too, so.
And I think you've gotten this a couple times and really like it.
Okay.
I have not tried it.
So this is a smaller package than what I usually buy, but Lotus Foods, this very particular rice ramen, you can get a 12-pack of it at most Costco's. And since going gluten-free, this is how if I want ramen or anything approaching it. There does not, when it's like this, it comes with no seasoning pack. It's just the ramen patties. But what's great with that is you can customize, do whatever you want.
Yeah. What's this in little?
I don't know.
Like a Christmas present. a little jar.
What does it say on it?
Kula,
Oh,
Kula.
from Kula Kuli.
nourishing you something.
A little glass spice jar. I'm happy because this is what I'm moving towards, away from having plastics as much as possible.
Coconut manna, chocolate something, chocolate smoothie, I think.
Is that Nutivia? Okay, Nutivia. They were at
Feels a bit
ShiftCon.
hard.
Well, it's cool. So if you have anything with coconut butter, coconut oil, when it cools down, it's going to become firm. You let it just sit at a nice room temperature. All that stuff.
There's a second.
There's a couple in there. So they had some of these at the conference, and we could taste it. They had organic apples with
I kind
some
of
of them
want
on
to try
top.
this. Maybe
The
later
almond?
I'll try some.
Maybe later.
Wait, are there different flavors?
Yes, that's just
Oh,
almond. This
I
is
want
chocolate, but it's all coconut.
Oh, like that. Ooh, rice cakes. That sounds good. Ew.
They also have organic coconut oil that you can squeeze, which I believe with this, the packaging is just a little bit better, a little bit more sustainable.
Haven't you
for
gotten
that.
this stuff before?
And he's right. I've bought big tubs of their coconut
And make
oil.
popcorn with it. It's yummy. But yeah, there's also this rice cakes.
Let's see.
From
Happy
Happy
Baby. Blueberry and beet, gluten-free, and just because it says Happy Baby doesn't mean you have to be a baby to enjoy them. Awesome.
And then there's this Nootropic Focus.
Nootropic Focus, made with saffron, lemon balm, and spearmint for healthy concentration. Interesting. From Gaia Herbs.
Ooh.
They were not at
Another
Costco
thing
yet.
from Happy Baby, superfoods. I might eat that. I'm gonna take this from you and eat it. Yummy.
Nice and squeezable. 4.42 or 4.22 ounces. Too big to take on the airplane, unfortunately, but
This is some. It looks kind of like the rice
it is
ramen,
the same
but
company.
it's rice
Pad Thai
noodles.
So I can do
Ready
Pad
in
Thai
5
noodles.
minutes. That's way quicker than today.
Okay, and so here at the bottom we have Kalui. There are two of them. Here's the green superfood, and it looks like they've also got
Green smoothie with a plant protein, chocolate, peanut butter. Yuck, peanut.
So anyways, that's why they sent me the little mixer cup, so I can mix it all
Organic
up myself.
virgin coconut oil, travel size.
Ooh, nice, because sometimes you want to just travel little half-ounce pouches so they can go on the airplane.
Rice, lotus, food, rice is life. Forbidden rice,
Oh,
organic.
okay, so Lotus Food was, like I said, they were at
So this
ShiftCon,
rice.
and they donated some of the different rice. These are new to their product line. This is just straight rice. And they donated some of it and made different dishes, and the forbidden rice was
Isn't
exceptionally
rice
yummy.
just rice? And then there's brown
No,
rice. There's
it's
rice and brown
different.
rice.
It's
Really?
different. Look see, it's all black and
Yeah.
dark.
Now what's in here? Nummy Organic Daily Super Shots.
Oh, Numi Organics again. The Daily Super Shots, they were demoing these at ShiftCon. Tasty and just a great way to boost, whether it's you need to boost your mood, your immune system.
Oh, it's tea.
Well, it's the tea company
I didn't know.
that
I kind of want to try one of these if I can.
and
So it's okay.
is this the same exact kind?
It kind
Or
of
it looks
like
different?
No,
Oh.
it is the same.
Same one. Okay. So 2 jars. I'm going to be enjoying these quite a bit, or I might find my college son kidnapping them.
Ah, glass cup.
I'm guessing this is from Numi. Ooh, pretty. Lovely mug. See your tea.
This is tiny baby food. Happy Tot. But it's not from Happy Baby, it's from Happy Tot.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like, I'm going to eat this.
Oh my goodness. And the very last thing in the box. A large, nice bottle of California Olive Ranch extra virgin olive oil.
Well, you won't mean you got buy olive oil.
Not for, well, we go through a lot of olive oil.
That's very true.
And this one, it is certified extra virgin olive oil, and it looks like, I'm guessing maybe they blend it, get the olives. It's been grown in California, Argentina, Chile, and Portugal, and then it's all processed and bottled, or all bottled up in California. Okay, so that's what I ended up winning in the package that they sent me. There's one company, Rebel, which I've shared about before, that because their product is perishable, they're supposed to be sending me some samples separately, which I've tried their stuff before. I've bought their stuff before. It's wonderful. I love it. And it's a great company. That's also a great company as far as they really are out to help people.
Can I eat this?
What is this one?
It's a Happy Tot.
Organic bananas, strawberries, and sunflower butter in a minute. Okay, so that's what we got, and
can I eat
I'll
it?
be probably sharing a little bit more about some of the products as we use them. Thanks.